Imagine holding your smartphone, streaming a movie, or using artificial intelligence tools, and realizing that a single company in Taiwan makes the tiny chips that make it all possible. That company is TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the hidden powerhouse behind the world's most advanced technologies. TSMC doesn't make its own branded products. Instead, it's the silent partner for the biggest names in tech: Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Qualcomm, and more. Every iPhone, every cutting-edge AI processor, every modern computer likely depends on TSMC's chips. Without them, the digital world as we know it would grind to a halt. So how did TSMC become the most important chipmaker on Earth? Founded in 1987, it pioneered the pure-play foundry model, manufacturing chips designed by other companies. While competitors split their attention between designing and producing, TSMC specialized, refining its production to levels no one else could match. That focus propelled it to the top of the semiconductor industry. Today, TSMC manufactures over 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors, the tiny processors with features measured in nanometers. Its 3 nanometers chips, used in Apple's latest devices, are marvels of engineering. Billions of transistors packed into something smaller than a fingernail. These chips power not just smartphones, but also data centers, artificial intelligence, and even cutting-edge research in medicine and space exploration. But TSMC's story is not just about technology, it's about geopolitics. Taiwan's central role in the global chip supply chain makes it a strategic asset. The US, China, and Europe all depend on TSMC, and that dependence shapes global trade, diplomacy, and even national security. That's why TSMC is expanding beyond Taiwan, building plants in Arizona and Japan, while still keeping its most advanced production at home. Beyond global politics, TSMC also represents the future of work and education. It employs tens of thousands of highly skilled engineers, driving innovation and pushing the limits of science. For students and professionals, TSMC's rise is proof that investing in knowledge, precision, and collaboration can create industries that literally change the world. So next time you unlock your phone, use AI, or stream your favorite show, remember, a piece of Taiwan is powering that moment. The future of technology runs through the factories of TSMC. What do you think? Should the world depend so heavily on one company for its technological future?